How are you all? It's Abhishek from Decofly. So what you are seeing me holding in my hand is called a Shree Yantra metal wall art. So guys, this is actually a piece of decor. It is used for decorating your room, and also guys, this is a Sri Yantra. So if you Google Sri Yantra has many benefits, like it's believed to bring prosperity and wealth to your home. So if you can hang this at your home and if you worship this daily, you can definitely Google the benefit, guys. This is having lots of benefits because this is believed to connect to the universe and bring wealth and prosperity to your home, guys. So I will tell you some specification, guys, of this particular product. This is 24 by 24 inches, then the x and y axis, and this is, guys, powder coated. This is not spray painted. This is powder coated, made with, as you can see, 1.6 mm thick steel. So this will not rust even if you hang it inside or outside your house. It is super durable, export quality product. Behind you can see the hook. You can simply fix a nail at your wall like this. This will be also given inside the package, and you can hang it like this. So see, guys, how beautiful and how easy it is to install this particular product. It is 2-minute job. These are all the supporting screws, and distance from the wall to the wall art will be around 2 centimeter to give it a shadow effect. So I hope you like this video, guys. This is a export quality product. Satisfaction is 100% guarantees, no doubt in this, and definitely you will love this product. And if you gift it to your loved ones, relatives, definitely they will also praise you for this beautiful piece of art. So I hope you like this product, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.